In this lesson, we will learn what is traversing. We will also see what does traversing concept means on a web page. It is related to the DOM, that is the document object model. Let's see. So generally a web page is considered as a DOM tree. That means a document object model. So if you will move from the top, move little bit down, then to the bottom of the web page, that would mean the traversing. So this is a step-by-step process, that is visiting each and every section one by one. So traversing concept also includes like ancestors, descendants and siblings. You can relate this with family tree, that includes your parent child relationship. Here you can see what is DOM. DOM defines the logical structure of documents, that means the web page, and it also defines that how a document is accessed and manipulated. This is actually a W3C standard, that means the World Wide Web Consortium standard. Now we will see a figure to understand the concept. Here it is. Let's say this is a web page, this complete. We have multiple elements in it. So how this traversing concept can be understood? I've shown the same here also. The div is the parent. So the ancestor, the parent is the div. Let's say the parent is having two childs, UL tag and OL tag, that means the unordered list and the ordered list. Further, the UL tag can also have childs. Similarly, a parent can have a child. That child can also have childs further. This is the child of div, and UL is also having two childs. The left li tag, that means the list item tag, is having two further childs. It's written the spam is a child of the left li. Okay, so we have this UL, left child of UL, and this is the right child of UL. Similarly, OL is also having left child and right child. Okay, the strong is the child of the left li, this one, and this is the child of the right li. Okay, so obviously this will be called a parent and this will be a child. Li is the child of UL. Here Li is the child of OL. Similarly, UL and OL, since they are child of the div, they are siblings. So I have explained the same concept here. Now we will see some examples so that we can find the ancestor of an element, a descendant of an element, or siblings. jQuery has provided some awesome built-in methods to ease your work. We will see all these examples in the next lecture. Thank you for watching the video.